Session we are going to see 8th, 9th, 10th remaining problems which we have to solve in exercise number 8.1. And let us go to the problem. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. And what is given in the question? What is given? 3 cot A is equal to 4. And what we have to check? What we have to check? 1 minus tan square A is by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay, and let us go to the solution. For every problem in the exercise we are going to take a right angled triangle. First step is you have to consider a right angled triangle and you have to find out three sides. Trigonometry. What is the meaning for trigonometry? Tri is 3. Gnon is trignon is sides. 3 sides. And metron means measure. We have to find measure 3 sides of the triangle. Okay, this is the meaning for trigonometry first of all. And for every problem we will consider a triangle and we have to measure three sides. This is a basic notion of trigonometry. So for every problem we have to consider a triangle. Here in this problem we are going to consider a right angled triangle. Let us consider a right angled triangle ABC. Okay, ABC. Here it is the angle A. Okay, what is given in the question? Given 3 cot A is equal to 4, which implies cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Therefore cot A is nothing but adjacent side of A by adjacent side of A by opposite side of A, which is equal to 4 by 3. And what is adjacent side of A? It is AB. AB. And what is opposite side of A? It is BC. BC. AB by BC is equal to 4 by 3. And these are ratios. Ratios have common ratio. For example, K. K is a common ratio of these two. And it will cancel out in that. While dividing, it will cancel it. And we are going to consider a K common ratio K here. Let K be the common ratio such that K is a positive number. Okay, so AB is equal to 4K and BC is equal to 3K. AB is 4K and BC is 3K. We have to find the hypotenuse, the side. Basic notion of trigonometry is measure three sides of the triangle. Two sides are given two sides or two sides we have found using the given hint. 3 cot A is equal to 4 and third side we are going to find by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem. And every problem in this exercise we are going to use Pythagoras theorem only. So remember, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular side square by plus base square. Therefore hypotenuse here is AB, which we have to find AB. AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore value of AB is 4k, 4k the whole square plus BC is 3k, 3k the whole square. Therefore 16k square plus 9k square, which is equal to 25k square. Therefore it is 5k. AC square is equal to 25, AC is 5k, and we have found the hypotenuse sides. Okay, three sides of the triangle we have found, and now let us solve this problem. Okay, cot A we know as 4 by 3. Now we have found the three sides of the triangle. AB is 4k and BC is 3k and 5k, and we have to check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Okay, let us consider this as LHS and this as RHS. Okay, consider LHS, and for that we have to find tan A, cos A and sin A. Tan A is opposite side BC by adjacent side AB, which is equal to 3k by 4k, which is equal to 3 by 4. And cos A is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is nothing but AB by AC, which is equal to 4k by 5k, which is equal to 4 by 5. And sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side of A is BC, BC by AC, which is equal to 3k by 5k, which is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore we have found tan A, cos A and sin A. And let us solve the problem. LHS. LHS is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A, which is equal to 1 minus, let us consider this equation as number 1 and this is number 2 and number 3. From number 1 we know that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole square by 1 plus 3 by 4 the whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 by 1 plus 9 by 16, which is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 by 16 by 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 by 16. 16 and 16 cancel it down, and the answer is 7 by 25. Okay, now RHS. RHS is cos square A minus sin square A, which is equal to from equation 2 and 3. Cos square A value is 4 by 5 the whole square and sin square value is 3 by 5 the whole square, which is equal to 16 by 5, 25 minus 9 by 25, which is equal to 7 by 25. Hence LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Hope you understand this problem, and now let us solve the problem 9. Number exercise 8.1. Okay, and the problem number 9 is, in triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A sin cos C and minus sin A sin C. So what is given here? It is given a right angle triangle ABC and the trigonometric ratio tan A 1 by root 3. Okay, and we have to find sin A cos C, cos A sin C. These values we have to find using the Pythagoras theorem, and we have to substitute here, and we can find the value of the sub problem 1 and 2. Okay, now let us go to the problem. What is given? Given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, and what we have to solve? These two things. We have to solve these two things. Okay, and let us go to the solution. Okay, what is the notion of the trigonometry? Trigonometry. Tri is 3, gon is sides, and metry is measure. Measuring 3 sides. Okay, here in tan A is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side of a triangle. Okay, opposite side and adjacent side values are given here, and we have to find the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem, and we can measure 3 sides of the triangle. Okay, let us consider a triangle ABC such that it is perpendicular at B. Okay, consider a triangle ABC and it is perpendicular at B. Now what is given? Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, which implies BC by AB is equal to 1 by root 3. Let us consider a common ratio. Consider a common ratio K, where K is positive number. Okay, therefore BC is 1K and AB is root 3 by K. There will be a common ratio K, so that it will get cancelled. Okay, the value of BC will be some K and AB will be root 3 of some K, and the common ratio will cancel it down, and it will become 1 by root 3, and we are going to consider the common ratio K so that we can find the value BC. The value of BC is K, and the value of AB is root 3 K. Value of AB is root 3 K and value of BC is K, and we have to find hypotenuse. And how we can find the hypotenuse? We can find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, what is the value of AB? Root 3 K, the whole square, plus what is the value of BC? It is K square. Therefore 3K square plus K square, which is equal to 4K square, and AC is equal to 2K. And the notion of the trigonometry is measuring 3 sides, and we have measured the 3 sides, K, root 3K and 2K. And it is very easy to find sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C. We can find sin A sin C and cos A cos C by using this triangle. Okay, A, B, a right angle triangle ABC such that AB value is root 3K, AC value is K, and BC value is K, and AC value is 2K. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have found the 3 sides of the triangle, and now we have to find sin A, sin C, cos A, cos C, and we are going to find sin A. First problem, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and second problem, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Okay, what is cos sin A? Sin A is opposite side of A by hypotenuse of A, which is opposite side of A is K and hypotenuse is 2K, therefore it is 1 by 2. Okay, and now sin C. What is the opposite side of C and hypotenuse of C? Opposite side of C is AB, and hypotenuse of C is AC, which is equal to root 3K by 2K, which is root 3 by 2. And cos A. What is cos A? Adjacent side of A by hypotenuse of A, which is equal to adjacent side of A is root 3K and hypotenuse is 2K, which is equal to root 3 by 2. And cos A is adjacent side of C by hypotenuse of C, which is equal to adjacent side of C is nothing but CB by hypotenuse of C is AC, which is equal to K by 2K, which is equal to 1 by 2. And we have found all the values of the equation, and we have to substitute the values now. Cos A cos C, sin A cos C. What is the value of sin A? Which is equation number 1. Okay, equation number 1 is sin A. Sin A value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos C value is equation number 4, which is 1 by 2. And cos A value is root 3 by 2, which is equation number 3. And sin C value is root 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 by 4, which is equal to 4 by 4, which is 1. Answer is 1. And cos A value was root 3 by 2. Cos C value was 1 by 2. And sin A value was 1 by 2. Sin C value was root 3 by 2, which is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, which is equal to 0. Therefore, we have found as sin A cos C is nothing but value is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C value is 1, and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C value is 0. Hence the result. Now we can solve problem number 10. 8.1. Okay. Problem number 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm and PQ is equal to 5 cm. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay. What is given here? A triangle PQR, right angled triangle, and second one is PR plus QR is equal to 25 cm, and third point is PQ is equal to 5 cm. What we have to find? To find the values sin P, cos P and tan P. The similar thing we are going to find. First we have to find three sides of the triangle using Pythagoras theorem, and we have to find the trigonometric ratio sin P, cos P and tan P, which is very simple. Now it is given a right angle triangle, okay, which is P Q R, and it is right angled at Q, okay. And what is given here? PQ value is 5 cm. And another thing which is given in the question is PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter, and let it be there. Let me mark the PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter as equation number 1. And by Pythagoras theorem, the only theorem we have known from the starting here, there is Pythagoras theorem, which is very simple. Hypotenuse square, which is PR square, is equal to perpendicular side square, which is RQ square, plus base square. Base value is PQ square. Okay, and PR square minus RQ square is equal to PQ square. Okay, and here this is A square minus B square formula. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square formula is A plus B into A minus B. We are going to use the formula here. And therefore PR plus RQ into PR minus RQ, which is equal to PQ square. And PR plus RQ value is 25 from equation number 1. And PR minus RQ value we don't know. Just keep it as it is. And PQ value is 5 from the question. PQ value is 5 centimeter from the question. Okay. Therefore, PR minus RQ is equal to 25 by 25, which is equal to 1. PR minus RQ is equal to 1. Let us mark this equation as number 2. Now add number 1 plus number 2. PR plus RQ, PR plus QR is equal to 25, and PR minus QR is equal to 1. Add it. This will cancel it down, and 2PR is equal to 26. Therefore, PR is equal to 13. Mark it as number 3. Okay. Okay. Now we have found PR value was 13. PR value was 13, and we have to find QR value. So therefore, substitute 3 in 1. PR value is 13. 13 plus QR is equal to 25. Therefore, QR is equal to 12 centimeter. QR value is 12 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, the notion of trigonometry is measuring 3 sides. We have found 3 sides of the triangle: 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 13 centimeter. With this triangle, we are going to find sin P, cos P, and tan P. Sin P is opposite side by hypotenuse of P. Opposite side is QR by PR, which is equal to 12 by 13. And cos P is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side value is 5 by 13. And tan P is opposite by adjacent side. Opposite side is 12 and adjacent side is 5. 12 by 5. Hence the result. Thank you friends. If you like this video, Please subscribe and share it to your friends, which will be helpful for them too. And thank you once again. Thank you all.